Hello everyone, today Mrs. Carmen Molina and I
Shall I speak in Georgian all the time?
will present the terracotta facades and ceramic facades system from the Spanish brand. We have already done a project in Georgia, House of Justice in 𝐤𝐞𝐫𝐢 to be specific. Spanish architects worked on this project and we have made the forms that were used. Please do not hesitate to ask us any question during or after the presentation. We will be more than welcome to discuss them with you.
Hello, what can I say about this trip? I am so enthusiastic. It's first time in Georgia and I loved it. I was invited by Urban Elements. Urban Elements is our partner, trust company in Georgia, and we want to be with them that we introduce Tempio in architectural field in Georgia. I am very pleased to be here with you. We are doing all clinker, all extruded material. We do have a range of floor tiles and swimming pool pieces, and we do have a range for facade. And we are going to talk today about the facade.
The hurried speed of life in today's world has resulted in the rapid development of several economic sectors, including the construction industry. One of these advances in the evolution of the construction industry is the manufacture of ventilated facades. These facades are critical for energy efficiency, terminal installation and ventilation, and we should not overlook their aesthetic appeal. One such company that plays an important role in the development of facades is the Spanish company Tempio.
We are very strong in Asia, Australia, Korea, because you will see many different styles. United States, yes, especially Canada, we are quite strong there. We want to be strong in Georgia. One day will come, and this is a matter of getting used to new systems of construction. I have been following some countries that maybe it is in the starting point and the development is very quick, and you have to trust in the system first.
მინდა აღნიშნო რომ კომპანია Tempios პროდუქციის გამოყენებით საქართველოში განხორციელებული.
I would like to mention that one project has already been implemented in Georgia.
ისეს რომ
The House of Justice of 𝐤𝐞𝐫𝐢, where the main architectural feature of that project was the Tempio's ceramic tile facades.
ერთად არქიტექტურული შტრიხი გადის Tempios კერამიკული ფილებით შესრულებულ ფასადზე.
Combination of colors, they are both natural and glazed. Natural, you have them here on the table. We mix the pigment, it's a natural pigment, and we mix the pigment in the clay.
One of the leading companies that plays an important role in the development of facades is the Spanish company Tempio. A huge plus of terracotta facades, like common ventilation facades, is that we can make a very diverse change of facades. It should be noted that this material is completely natural, using which can have very high quality results. I would also like to mention that this material is the best in its segment in terms of terminal insulation. I think today's presentation was very interesting for several reasons. First of all, the product itself is new and of very high quality, whether it is used on the facades of the entire building or in the interior. In my opinion, I think that it gives a unique and a high quality visuals of the building. Obviously, in addition to the exterior, it can also be used in the interior, and it is a premium quality product. For architects and designers, there are so many possibilities in terms of shape, size and color that I think it should be very interesting for everyone. Probably soon there will be catalogs, which architects and designers will use to find interesting concepts and inspirations for their own projects.
So how do we develop the colors? Is that you give us a RAL color, NCS, or any other references in color. We do the laboratory sample, we send them to you and say, yes, more light, more yellow, more green, whatever. This is done in laboratory, and once this is approved, we do an industrial test. I was very short time here in Georgia, unfortunately, but I have seen different architect offices. I like the work they do, and I think there are lots of possibilities of cooperation between the two companies. I think there is big potential in the ceramic field for the ventilated facade. As I mentioned before, the characteristics of the ceramic is very low porosity, high resistance, the life of the product, and we are certificated by ISO, of course. We have tested both the tile with the system.
I wanted to express my opinion on today's presentation, which was attended by many representatives of architectural circles, and I want to thank 𝐂𝐥𝐫𝐢 for organizing it.
This is a facade only covered with louvers, but the other solution is to use something like this, which is a flat tile with a louver included. So it depends what is going to be what we like most, or what are the budget expectations. We can use one or the other. Imagine that this is a higher price because of its individual.
I think that it is extremely important that such presentations, which are held by the urban element, became more frequent. At least because people working in this field can imagine how this product will fit their current or future projects. Meetings like these will make this product more familiar to those who have first contact with this product.
Urban Elements and George are our partners here. We want this to be a very long-term relationship, because Urban Elements are specialized in architectural products, and we believe their cooperation will help us to introduce the material in the Georgian market.
A very interesting presentation was held today, and I hope that this presentation brings new inspirations and a lot of new projects.
Thank you very much, really, for coming here. It was a pleasure for me. I hope it was interesting for you, and I see you next in Spain. Thank you.
I think today's presentation, which was organized by Spanish company Tempio, was very interesting for Georgian architects and designers. Urban Elements will continue to hold similar meetings for professionals.